Okay, this video is for TotalVac.com. Today we're going to be replacing the brush roller in a CT600 carpet nozzle. Press in the side tabs on the light housing cover. Pops off. You can then remove the bulb by pressing in, turning counterclockwise. Two Phillips screws towards the center. So remove those. Turn the brush roll over. In the center there'll be two tabs. Simply just pry out. Just takes a little bit of pressure, releases. Allows you to remove the top cover. It's a good time to remove the dust from the engine at this time. Then your brush roll simply slides out each side. You remove the belt at this time. And the brush roll. Go to TotalVac.com, ship your parts to you quick. Get your new brush roll, new belt. Simply slide it back onto the motor, around the brush roll. Brush roll will clip back into the sides. Once they are clipped in, make sure the belts turn with the motor. That all looks good. Grab your cover, line back up, simply slide it back down. You will hear it clip into place. Reinstall the two Phillips screws. Just snug on the screws. You need to really get over tight. Light bulb. Line up the ears. Press in clockwise. Lock it into place. Light cover. Two tabs on the back. Slide into the grooves. And simply slip down. Clip, and there you have it. New brush roll, new belt, 3 minutes time. Parts came quick from TotalVac.com. Hope that helps you out. Thank you.